Creating subtitles manually and adding them to a video file as a track definitely requires some work. But what if you need the exact opposite? What do you do if you want to extract subtitles from a video file? You might need the spoken text for a paper, but not the video. Or maybe you want to improve existing subtitles, but only get the whole video file. There must be a reason or two. With tools like Subtitle Edit, it's super easy. Subtitle Edit is useful for creating and editing subtitles. You can create completely new subtitles with this tool, or edit an existing subtitle file, for example in SRT format. But Subtitle Edit can do even more. To show you this, I have prepared two small examples. The first MP4 file has an English subtitle track. To get to this subtitle track, drag and drop the video file on the left side on the list of subtitles. You can now check and edit the subtitles as usual and of course save them in any format you like. Remember, however, that if you save the subtitles in a different format, you may lose the specific formatting. It is especially helpful that this procedure still works if the video file has multiple subtitle tracks. I have prepared the second example for this. An MKV file with 3 subtitle tracks: English, German and Dutch. You can open the file in the same way as before. Subtitle Edit will ask you which subtitle track you want to edit. Here you simply select the track you want to edit or extract. You can then save it again, and you're done. If this way does not work for you, it could be due to a missing codec. Of course, without knowing your system, I can hardly exclude all sources of errors. But Subtitle Edit shows helpful error messages when problems occur. A possible solution is to install the LAV filters. You can download them from GitHub.